Ferrari held the Japan premiere of the new F8 TRIBUTO at the Museum of Contemporary Art Tokyo on 25th of June. After the global debut at the Geneva Motor Show in March, the unveiling in Japan was much awaited. The venue was transformed into the world of Cavallino Rampante, incorporating the latest technology to the show of high performance with emotional visuals and sound. The event reached its climax when the car, colored in the sophisticated Blu Corsa, was unveiled. Over 150 VIP guests gathered to see the latest F8 TRIBUTO with joy, enjoying a cocktail-style party with the opportunity to see the fastest and the most thrilling supercar ever. It was a night for celebrating another page of the Cavallino Rampante history in Japan.